Oh, wow, wow, wow. This rain is big. You can't even see Voria. It is dark everywhere, dark around, dark, 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 dark. The rain is just too heavy. The rain is too heavy. You can see down both sides, very heavy. The rain is really, really heavy. And the rain is quite heavy actually, very heavy. And I sent some boys to go and collect some things from the shop. I don't know how they're going to make it back. I just pity the boys. But so long as they can run fast and they are good in running, they can come on their own pace, and I guess little rain will get over them. Otherwise, it is now dark and started raining. It has started raining now, meaning I need to go back to the house. Yeah, it's raining, it's raining, it's raining. It has been raining for about 2 months now from the way when it started. It has not stopped. So the place is very green. There's a lot of rain, plenty of water, and there's so many things. Yeah, so we really appreciate. But you see, yeah, that's the rain now. That's the rain. You can see it from far there. The clouds, very dark. That's the rain coming. Oh my God. I just pity the boys whom I sent to go and pick some stuff from the shop. Yeah, the place looks good, very good. Thanks God, we are getting good rain at the right time. I hope it's going to help the crops grow, the animals get the pasture and such like things. Thanks God.